Every morning counts when you're managing diabetes. Wrong breakfast can wreck your blood sugar. I'm revealing 10 delicious, senior-friendly meals that stabilize your levels fast. Easy, tasty, and ready to save your day. Don't wait. Let's start now. Overnight Chia Oatmeal is a must for seniors battling diabetes. Your blood sugar demands it now. Grab 1/4 cup rolled oats, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and 3/4 cup unsweetened almond milk from any American grocery store like Walmart. Toss in 5 to 6 fresh blueberries for a low-sugar antioxidant boost that fights inflammation, common in older adults. Mix everything in a wide-mouth mason jar, shake vigorously, and refrigerate overnight. By morning, you've got a creamy, no-cook breakfast that's ready to eat. This dish is a diabetes game-changer. Oats and chia seeds are low-glycemic, slowing digestion to prevent glucose spikes for hours. The high fiber also supports heart health, vital for seniors, and aids digestion, easing sensitive stomachs. It tastes incredible. Nutty oats, plump chia, and a sweet berry pop that feels like a treat without the sugar crash. Prep takes 5 minutes, and you can make multiple jars on Sunday for grab-and-go ease all week. Use a wide-mouth jar for simple scooping, especially if arthritis is an issue. If blueberries aren't in season, swap for 4 to 5 raspberries, equally safe for diabetes. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor and blood sugar benefits. Studies show it helps insulin sensitivity. This breakfast isn't just food, it's your daily shield against diabetes complications, boosting energy and confidence. American seniors, you'll love how this fuels your mornings without worry. One bite, and you're in control. Egg and Veggie Scramble is your morning lifesaver. Seniors, don't let diabetes control your day. Grab 2 large eggs, a handful of fresh spinach, and a 1/4 cup diced red bell peppers from any store like Kroger. Heat a non-stick skillet with a teaspoon of olive oil over medium. Crack eggs into a bowl. Whisk, then toss in veggies. Pour into the pan, stir gently, and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until set. This dish is a diabetes-fighting hero. Eggs pack a protein to curb hunger, keeping you full without spiking glucose. Spinach and peppers add fiber and vitamins, slowing sugar absorption, critical for seniors. It's low-carb, heart-healthy, and easy to chew, perfect for aging bodies. The taste? Savory eggs with a sweet pepper crunch and earthy spinach, all in a fluffy scramble. Season with a pinch of black pepper or paprika for a flavor kick without sodium overload. Prep and cook take just 10 minutes, ideal for busy mornings. Pro tip, chop veggies the night before to save time, and use a small skillet for easy handling if grip strength is a concern. If spinach isn't your favorite, swap for kale or zucchini. Both keep the dish diabetes-friendly. This scramble isn't just breakfast, it's your shield against mid-morning crashes. American seniors, you'll love the energy and control this gives you. One forkful, and you're powering through your day. Greek yogurt parfait is your diabetes-fighting breakfast. Seniors, act now to stabilize your blood sugar. Pick up a 1/2 cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup fresh raspberries, and 1 tablespoon crushed walnuts at any store like Target. In a clear glass or bowl, layer yogurt, then berries, then nuts. Repeat for a stunning parfait. No cooking, just 5 minutes to assemble. This dish is a powerhouse. Greek yogurt's high protein keeps hunger at bay, preventing glucose spikes. Raspberries, low in sugar, deliver fiber and antioxidants to fight inflammation, while walnuts add heart-healthy fats, essential for seniors. It's creamy, tart, and crunchy, with a natural sweetness that feels indulgent without risking your health. The smooth texture is easy to eat, even with dental concerns. Pro tip, buy single-serve yogurt cups for portion control and pre-crush walnuts in a Ziploc bag if hand strength is limited. If raspberries are pricey, swap for blackberries, equally diabetes-friendly. Keep berries fresh in the fridge for up to a week for daily parfaits. This breakfast isn't just tasty, it's a morning shield against diabetes complications, boosting energy and gut health. Studies show yogurt's probiotics support digestion, vital for aging bodies. American seniors, you'll crave this vibrant, no-fuss meal that fits your busy life. One spoonful, and you're empowered for the day. Avocado and spinach smoothie is your diabetes-busting breakfast? Seniors, your blood sugar needs this now. Grab half a ripe avocado, 1 cup fresh spinach, 3/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, and 1/4 cup sliced cucumber from stores like Whole Foods. Toss into a blender, add a squeeze of lemon juice for zing, and blend until smooth, about 30 seconds. Pour into a tall glass for a 5-minute, no-cook meal. This smoothie is a diabetes warrior. Avocado's healthy fats slow glucose spikes, while spinach and cucumber pack fiber to stabilize blood sugar. Low in carbs, it's gentle on aging digestive systems and keeps you full for hours. The taste? Creamy avocado, fresh spinach, and a crisp cucumber finish. Refreshing without sugary sweetness. Pro tip: use a small blender like a NutriBullet for easy cleanup. Perfect if mobility is limited. If spinach feels strong, swap for kale. Both keep it diabetes friendly. Add a pinch of chia seeds for extra fiber. Studies show it aids insulin sensitivity. Store pre-washed spinach in the fridge for quick blending all week. This isn't just a drink. It's your morning armor against diabetes complications, boosting energy and heart health. American seniors, you'll love this vibrant smoothie that fits your on-the-go life. It's sippable, so no chewing issues, ideal for dental concerns. One gulp, and you're powering your day with confidence. Whole grain toast with almond butter is your diabetes-defying breakfast. Seniors, your health can't wait. Grab 1 slice of whole grain bread, like Pepperidge Farm whole wheat, and 1 tablespoon unsweetened almond butter from stores like Costco. Toast the bread until golden, then spread almond butter evenly. Top with 3 to 4 thin cucumber slices for a low-sugar crunch. This 5-minute meal is a diabetes buster. Whole grains have a low glycemic index, releasing glucose slowly to prevent spikes. Almond butter's healthy fats and protein keep you satiated, curbing mid-morning cravings. Cucumbers add fiber, aiding digestion, key for aging bodies. It's nutty, creamy, and crisp, a satisfying combo that feels like comfort food without the guilt. Easy to chew, it's ideal for dental concerns. Pro tip: choose no sugar-added almond butter and check bread labels for whole grains, not refined flour. If cucumbers aren't your vibe, try a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra fiber. Research shows they improve insulin sensitivity. Keep bread in the freezer for freshness and quick toasting. This breakfast isn't just tasty, it's your daily guard against diabetes complications, boosting heart health and energy. American seniors, you'll love this no-fuss meal that fits your busy mornings. Use a butter curler for easy spreading if arthritis acts up. One bite, and you're fueled with confidence. Steamed tofu with scallions is your diabetes-crushing breakfast, seniors. Your glucose needs control now. Grab a half-cup soft tofu block and 1 tablespoon chopped scallions from stores like Safeway. Place tofu in a heat-safe dish, sprinkle scallions, and steam for 8 minutes in a steamer or microwave-safe container with a lid. Drizzle with 1 teaspoon low-sodium soy sauce. This 10-minute dish is a diabetes champion. Tofu's plant-based protein stabilizes blood sugar without carbs, perfect for seniors. Scallions add fiber and antioxidants, supporting heart health. It's soft, silky, and easy to digest, ideal for aging stomachs or dental issues. The taste? Warm, savory tofu with a fresh scallion bite, enhanced by umami soy sauce. Comforting, yet light. Pro tip: use a bamboo steamer or microwave for simplicity, and pre-chop scallions to save effort if arthritis flares. If soy sauce feels heavy, swap for a dash of sesame oil for flavor without salt. Store tofu and water in the fridge for up to a week for quick prep. This breakfast isn't just food, it's your shield against diabetes spikes, boosting energy and gut health. Research shows plant proteins like tofu improve insulin sensitivity, vital for seniors. American seniors, you'll love this no-fuss, Asian-inspired meal that fits your health-focused life. Serve in a small bowl for easy handling. 1 spoonful, and you're empowered for the day. Tomato and cucumber salad is your diabetes-taming breakfast. Seniors, Your blood sugar demands action now. Grab half-cup cherry tomatoes, half-cup sliced cucumber, and 1 tablespoon olive oil from stores like Trader Joe's. Halve tomatoes, slice cucumber thinly, and toss in a bowl with oil, a pinch of pepper, and a splash of balsamic vinegar. This 5-minute no-cook dish is a diabetes hero. Tomatoes and cucumbers are low-carb, high-fiber champs, slowing glucose spikes. Olive oil's healthy fats support heart health, crucial for seniors. It's crisp, juicy, and refreshing, with tangy vinegar and sweet tomatoes. A light yet satisfying start. Easy to chew, it's perfect for dental concerns. Pro tip, use pre-washed cherry tomatoes to save time, and a non-slip bowl for mixing if grip strength is low. If balsamic feels strong, swap for lemon juice. Equally diabetes-friendly. Store veggies in the fridge for quick salads all week. This breakfast isn't just food, it's your defense against diabetes complications, boosting hydration and energy. Research shows fiber-rich diets improve insulin sensitivity, vital for aging bodies. American seniors, you'll love this vibrant, no-fuss meal that fits your health-focused life. Serve on a small plate for easy handling, and add a sprinkle of fresh basil for flavor if you have it. One bite, and you're energized for the day. Baked sweet potato slices are your diabetes-beating breakfast. Seniors, your glucose needs this now. Grab 1 small sweet potato from stores like Publix and 1 teaspoon olive oil. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice the potato into 1/4-inch rounds, toss with oil, and sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon. Spread on a baking sheet and bake for 20 minutes, flipping halfway. This 25-minute dish is a diabetes star. Sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index than white potatoes, releasing glucose slowly to avoid spikes. Their fiber aids digestion, while cinnamon may improve insulin sensitivity, per studies. Olive oil adds heart-healthy fats, vital for seniors. It's tender, naturally sweet and spiced, a cozy, satisfying bite without sugar overload. Easy to chew, it suits dental concerns. Pro tip, use a mandolin slicer for even cuts if hand strength allows, or buy pre-sliced sweet potatoes to save effort. If cinnamon's not your thing, try paprika for a savory twist. Both keep it diabetes-friendly. Store leftovers in the fridge for 3 days. Reheat in a toaster oven. This breakfast isn't just food, it's your shield against diabetes complications, boosting energy and gut health. American seniors, you'll love this simple, comforting meal that fits your health-focused life. Serve on a small plate for easy handling, and pair with a glass of water to stay hydrated. One bite and you're fueled for the day. Salmon and Greens is your diabetes-dominating breakfast. Seniors, your heart and glucose demand it now. Grab a 3-ounce salmon fillet and 1 cup mixed greens like kale or arugula from stores like Wegmans. Heat a non-stick skillet with 1 teaspoon olive oil over medium. Season salmon with pepper, sear 3 to 4 minutes per side. Steam greens for 2 minutes. Plate together. This 15-minute dish is a diabetes titan. Salmon's omega-3 fats reduce inflammation and support heart health, critical for seniors. Greens pack fiber, slowing glucose spikes. Low-carb and protein-rich, it keeps you full without sugar crashes. It's tender, flaky salmon with earthy, crisp greens, a flavorful, upscale meal that's simple. Easy to chew, it's ideal for dental concerns. Pro tip, buy pre-washed greens and frozen salmon fillets for convenience. Thaw overnight in the fridge. If kale's bitter, swap for spinach, equally diabetes-friendly. Use a fish spatula for easy flipping if arthritis is an issue. Store greens in a sealed container for a week's worth of meals. This breakfast isn't just food, it's your armor against diabetes complications, boosting energy and brain health. Studies show omega-3s improve insulin sensitivity, vital for aging bodies. American seniors, you'll love this quick, restaurant-style dish that fits your health-focused life. Serve on a small plate for easy handling. One bite, and you're energized for the day. Homemade oatmeal cookies are your diabetes-conquering breakfast. Seniors, your health needs this now. Grab 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 tablespoon almond butter, and 1 teaspoon chia seeds from stores like Aldi. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mash 1/4 ripe banana in a bowl. Mix with oats, almond butter, chia, and a pinch of cinnamon. Form into 4 small cookies. Place on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for 15 minutes. This 20-minute treat is a diabetes hero. Oats and chia deliver fiber, slowing glucose spikes, while banana adds natural sweetness with minimal sugar. Almond butter's protein and fats keep you full, perfect for seniors. They're crisp outside, chewy inside, with nutty, spiced warmth. Guilt-free comfort food. Soft enough for dental concerns, they're easy to eat. Pro tip, use a non-stick baking mat for easy cleanup, and pre-portion oats in baggies if dexterity is limited. If bananas aren't handy, swap for 2 tablespoons unsweetened applesauce, equally diabetes-friendly. Store cookies in an airtight container for 5 days. This breakfast isn't just a snack, it's your final stand against diabetes complications, boosting energy and heart health. Research shows fiber-rich oats improve insulin sensitivity, crucial for aging bodies. American seniors, you'll love this quick, nostalgic treat that fits your health-focused life. Serve with a glass of unsweetened almond milk for a complete meal. One bite and you're powered for the day.